I know for sure. That one, I'm not talking for Mudavadi, but there is no way Mudavadi can allow himself to work with Ruto. Ruto belittled him. He called him a man of Mandazi, a person of Syriac. It will be very funny. He would be the most, I don't know, I can't. He's intelligent man. Mudavadi is very fairly intelligent. I don't think whether, I think those who are Malala's gimmicks, but not, Musalia cannot, see, anybody with right thinking, brains, 100%, unless half-baked brains, or if you have some cow dung in the head, is the one who would rush to say he wants to work with William Samoei Ruto. You see the composition of Ruto's people are all thieves. Tell me who is clean with Ruto. Tell me one credible. Even those bishops who tried to associate with him, they all died. Yeah. Because God refused them, and I can name them for you. There are about 8 bishops, including one from my own home. About two of them. The one that was given a car, if you can remember. They all died. No any right-thinking person who can be associated with William Samoei Ruto. And those even his own fellow Kalenjins who have associated with him, they have run bankrupt. Because his language is money. Bring money. If you don't have money, you have no any relationship with William Samoei Ruto. So I don't think whether Mudavadi can make that mistake. He can't. He's a seasoned, fairly intelligent. I know him. He's a man. He might be too slow in doing things, but he's not all that way stupid to decide to say he wants to have a deal with William Samoei Ruto. He has a nice home. He can just decide to retire and stay at home, other than working with a crook. First and foremost, I want to take this opportunity after some times to thank the community of the Western Kenya people and those others who are interested in our 31st Bukhungu political declaration rally at Kakamega. I want to thank very highly, particularly those who came from outside Western Kenya. We had people who traveled as far as from Mombasa, Malindi, Dar es Salaam, Kampala, to come and attend, to come to Kakamega to attend our Bukhungu political declaration rally. And more so, the 5 counties that are dominant of Luhya people, starting from Trans Nzoia, Bungoma, Busia, Kakamega, Vihiga, and the surroundings ones. Even people came from Siaya and Migori to come and attend the rally, which saw thousands and thousands of people attending, as I had promised. And this demonstrates that who has control, or who has whose Kenyans in Western Kenya have total faith in him, and who is their leader. The leaders of Western Kenya were seen on 31st of December. And I want to assure Kenyans that the entire Western Kenya is going to vote for those candidates who will be within the Azimio la Umoja. There is nothing less or nothing more. And I want to assure my friend, the young man, he calls himself young, though he's now old, William Samoei Ruto, that even if he visited, William Samoei Ruto, even if he visited Western Kenya 20 times per week, is not going to get any vote from Western Kenya. Western Kenya is sealed, and Western Kenya is for Azimio, and we are going to have rallies in each and every county. And that is the time he will realize that those who might be cheating him, that they will make him get some votes in Western Province, are just after something else but they are not assisting him. I said 2014, and I repeat because I've heard him talking, oh, now yule mzee sijui wa nini amebadilisha, anasema ya kwamba deep state itaninyang'anya votes. I'm not in the government and I've never worked for the government. He is our deputy president. He is the deep state. And this is the exercise he knows better than any other person. In his own Jubilee party, he rigged almost everybody in during the 2013 elections. All his supporters are supporters that he rigged into leadership. And he should not think that everybody is thinking towards those lines. I said he will not and he shall not be declared as a president on 9th of August this year, simply because he will not win. It will not be through any machinations or anything, but he will not win elections. He's not going to be our president this year. Anybody who is still daydreaming, following him, that he's a candidate, he's a daydreamer. I have said this, and I'm confident, and I'm not moved, and I repeat, William Samoei Ruto will be defeated. He will be defeated democratically. He's not going to be the president. And I have said, the turnout on 9th of August, it will be so well overwhelming. People will turn up in large numbers, including in the central Kenya where he thinks he has people, and sometimes he belittles those elders in those areas by unfair accusations and so on, and then he expects their daughters and sons to vote for him. He's a daydreamer. So I want to assure him that as much as he may be interested in becoming a president, he will not be able to convince anybody from Western. And any right-thinking person, any right-thinking Kenyan cannot prepare himself in the morning of 9th to go and vote for a thief. If he's serious that he wants to be a president, he must surrender the government lands or pieces of lands of government that he owns. Then we will take him serious. We cannot assist him to further his own interest of stealing. Never. Never will we do that. Kenyans will never allow that. And as an elder, I will guide this nation. I will guide this nation, not only Western. And if he wants to know the seriousness that Kenyans attaches on me, he should replay the clip of Buhungu 2, which took place on 31st of December. And those who are cheating, let them have a similar rally in Western Province, and I will salute it. I will salute them. I will salute them. Completely, I will salute them. I will salute them if they can manage to stage a similar rally, political rally in Western Province as Buhungu 2. Some Thomases had doubted that, oh, we will not go there, we will go to Mumias. Who was in Mumias apart from children? The really men's and women meeting was in Buhungu. And let him try to have one. He can traverse villages, he can go everywhere, Webuye, anywhere. Mayakalo, anywhere in Western Kenya in those villages. And people can see him. But I can assure him here and now that Western Kenya is sealed for Azimio la Umoja. We can bet. We are now just remaining with few months away. But William Samoei Ruto will not be able to gather a momentum and win anybody in West. And we are going to go, as I promised, in every county. We have a program to tell people, listen to him. Let him lie to you the way he's lying to other people. Oh, that I have given so and so 2.5 million, you will get it. Boda will get 3 million. Or I have left there 10 million, 6 million, or 5 million, and so on. The most expensive party is UDA. Because for you as a candidate to be allowed to address the rally, you must pay 1.5 million. So is he a serious person who wants to become a president of this republic? or is a cartels party? So I wanted to assure Kenyans that we are united in Western Kenya. We are united as Kenyans. And everywhere I have been in Kenya, nobody is telling me that they are going to rally behind William Samoei Ruto. And Ruto should, it's not because of personal differences, but because of his known behavior, blundering public utilities and so on, interfering with procurement. That will be his first thing. And we suspect that if elected, he will run away with Central Bank of Kenya on his back, and Kenyans will suffer. And Kenyans can't allow that. If he's a serious man, let him surrender the Western hotel land, and let him surrender other pieces that he's known to have and other interests. But he should not go on cheating people that deep state, who is deep state? He's the deputy president. And he should not promise people things that he will do when he's elected. He's deputy president. Let him do those things now to Kenyans. Yeah? He sits in the cabinet. He chairs security meeting jointly with the head of state, President Kenyatta. Now, whom does he think I am? I don't come to any, I'm not related to any deep state. I'm just an authority in this country, as I've said. That in this country, we are only 3 popular people. The rest are dangis, punda, shenzi sana.